Algebraic expression. We are going to solve a CQ. Our question: the two numbers are A and B where A greater than B. The sum of two numbers is 12 and the product is 32. First question. It means number A, multiply with the help of formula 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 7. We will try to solve every question step by step. So let's get started. Here 2x, look, 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 7, and we have to multiply this one as formula. So what is formula? Look, x plus a times x plus b. We know here x square, then plus a plus b times what? Times x plus ab. This is our formula. So exact this one we will implement in here. Here x is 2x. So first x square, it means 2x square, then plus, okay, then a means what? A is a 3, then plus b is a minus 7, okay, then times x is 2x plus a times b, it means 3 times b means minus 7. So what will happen now? 2 square, it means 4, and x square plus 3 plus and minus, it will be minus 7, 2x, and here plus times minus, it will be minus 3 times 7 is a 21. So finally here is a 4x square, and here 3 minus 7 is a minus 4, minus 4 times 2, it will be minus 8, and here is a x minus 21. This is our result. So we have to know this one. Now look, what is the easiest way? If you forget this rule, x times x is a x square, then x plus what? B, it means xb plus ax, and then ab plus ab. Now look, here is a x square plus, we can take common x, so here will be a plus b times x and a b. Very simple. So if you do this one, you will get 2 marks, right? So number A done. Number B, find out the value 2a square plus 2b square. So here is given the two numbers are a and b. The sum of two numbers, it means a plus b will be 12, and the product is, it means ab equals to 32. So here we can take common 2, so here will be a square plus b square. Now we can implement a rule which is 2 a square plus b square. We have a plus b, it means a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right? Then here is 2, and then a plus b, it means 12 square minus 2 times ab means 32, right? So here is 2, 12 square is 144 minus 2 times 32 is a 64, okay, and then 2 times 4 minus 4, here is a 0, here is 14 minus 6 is a 80. So our answer is 160. Very simple. So number A and B done. Okay. Now prove that A plus B whole square minus 5B square equals to 176. We have to prove this one. So number C, first left hand side. A plus 2B whole square minus 5B square. We have to prove this one is equal 176. So it's in general formula, it means A plus B whole square. We know this is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So A square plus 2 times A times 2B plus 2B square minus 5B square, right? Then here is A square 2, so here is 4AB plus 4B square minus 5B square, right? So now A square plus 4AB minus here 4B square minus 5B square, it means B square. Now this is the important point, like here is A square and minus B square plus 4AB. We have the value of AB, which is what? The product is 32. It means AB equals to 32, right? Now this one we can write A plus B times A minus B, because A square minus B square equals to A plus B times A minus B plus 4AB. Okay. Now one thing here is given, we can make this one is equation 1, equation 2, right? So we have A plus B, we have AB, but we don't have A minus B. So in this rough or in given section we can make another thing, which one is A minus B equals to, we can write this one A minus B whole square and can be used root sign. So root and square will be out, it will become A minus B, right? And we know a formula which is A minus B whole square, it means A plus B whole square minus 4AB, right? Then A plus B means 12, then square minus 4 times 32, then root sign. 12 square, it means 144 minus 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, and then a root, and here is a 16 a root. So root 16, it means plus minus 4. Now so A minus B equals to 4, because A greater than B. But what is proved in here? If A greater than B, so why A minus B will become 4, right? Now let's check one thing. If let's say here is, we declare A minus B equals to 4, but if like this, A minus B equals to either minus 4 or A minus B equals to either 4, because plus minus 4. Now look, this one, if A equals to, here is minus 4 and this minus B become plus B, right? And here A equals to 4 plus B. If you consider, if B equals to 1, suppose B equals to 1, so A will become minus 3, but here is B equals to 1, A will become 5. We know A greater than B, but if B is 1, then A become minus 5. If you consider, if b equals to 1, in here a become what? Minus 4 plus 1, it will be minus 3. Therefore, we cannot take minus 4. It should be a minus b equals to 4. So, we have three things. First, a plus b equals to 12, ab equals to 32, and finally a minus b equals to 4. So, be careful about this one. Now, we can put this value. A plus b, it's a 12, times a minus b, it's a 4, plus 4 times ab means 32. So, 4 times 4, 12 times 4 is a 48, right, plus 4 times, here is 8 and 12. So, 8 and 8, it will be 16, 4 plus 2 is a 6, 6 plus 1, 7, and here is a 1. So, finally, right hand side. Very careful. Very interesting math. So, I hope you understand this one. But in case if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section and email me. You can email me. My email address is aurajib@home of math at gmail.com. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. No more today. I will come another CQ solution in next video. Thank you.